Alright everyone, I'm David.
I'm Aaron.
And we are Adventures of David and Aaron. So, everyone's been asking, what are we doing during our home quarantine? Well, we've been doing
Yard work,
cleaning out closets, throwing away stuff, cleaning out the garage. So we're going to take you along with us during our home quarantine projects and show you what we've been up to. So we used to have an outdoor covering on our outside patio. It was wood and a shade cloth. So we had a company come in, demo that, and then they gave me 2 weeks after they demoed the project, gave me 2 weeks to work on our stucco siding, patch holes and repaint the outside, and then they came in and reinstalled this wonderful masterpiece right here. So one of our main projects have been cleaning out the yard. We live in the desert, so we have desert landscape. We have no grass. It's a rock, gravel, desert landscape type environment. So we have been pulling weeds. We also had a ficus tree here, so the ficus tree died, so what we are in the hunt of is a new palm tree. We had to plant a new palm tree in this area where the other tree died, and I'll show you the rest of what we're getting into. Cleaning up all the weeds, getting it back to a nice, beautiful landscape setting. Alright guys, now to the backyard to do some trimming of fruit trees and some of the bushes back in the back. So guys, the citrus trees in our backyard, the first one right here behind me is a grapefruit. This one here behind me is a lemon tree. And then this one here is an orange tree.
Our kids are hungry, so we're gonna feed the kids. Let's fill up their little food feeder.
And that's about it.
Put the top back on. Okay, lock it in. Flip it over. Come and get it, kids.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another weekend of quarantine home projects. So, as you saw in the video earlier, last weekend we were doing some yard work, weed pulling. We still have to order some rock. We're doing some re-rocking for our landscape, and we have to order a palm tree. So this weekend our project is we are demoing a room, or I'm going to demo a room. We've already emptied it, one of our bedrooms. We're going to rip out the carpet, tack strip, and install some new tile, or I'm going to have someone come in and install the tile, but I have to get ready for them. So welcome back to the vlog. Today is April the 18th, 2020. So as you saw earlier in the video, last week was the weekend of the 11th. Me and Aaron did some yard work. We talked about replanting a tree that we still have to order and re-rocking the front yard. So this weekend's project, we are going to rip out some carpet, tack strip, and do some demo work, and I'll show you what we're getting ready to get into. So this is the room that we are going to have demo on. This room and the closet. So we're going to remove all this carpet, remove all the tack strip, and let the demo work begin. So after the demo is done, I will pull up everything, clean up, sweep, mop, get all the dust out. This is the tile that we picked. So we're going to have this tile installed here in this room. Hopefully we will be able to get this project done during the week, so that then when the next weekend comes around, we'll be on to our next project. Okay guys, welcome back. Sunday, April 19th, still continuing our home projects. Today we're going to hit the backyard. I need to put up a clothesline for Aaron, so we're going to dig a hole, re-cement below the yard because of all the leaves. So last week I was talking to you guys about re-rocking our yard. So the last time we did any update or maintenance on our rock was probably about 11 years ago, and I'll show you why and what happens and why we have to re-rock in the desert. So if you see these areas like right here where the plastic is, where it's bare, it's just the wind, the rock decomposes, it breaks down. The type of rock that we stuck here is a California Gold. So we'll just go to our local quarry, throw some in the truck, a couple, I don't know, bucket loads of a tractor, and then we'll just come and spread it and re-rock it as well as in the front yard also. So Aaron moved his bird feeder. He wanted me to move it somewhere where he could see it a little bit better from the living room. So I went to the local hardware store, picked up a little hook, and put this little bird feeder